Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one doing this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we are on our way to save a lowrider bike. We're gonna be going and getting a bike that needs to be saved. So we're on our way right now to go pick it up. I'm about an hour away from my house. We're gonna go check it out. See you in a few, guys. Alright, what's up, guys? So this is the beauty that we just picked up that we had to save. Alright, you see it's a few rust spots on here, fenders, wheels, the back wheel, rust spots, rust right there on the front. So this is the beauty that we gotta get cleaned up, fixed up. The fork on the front, I'm gonna change it and put that fork right there. That's the fork I'm gonna put on. But yeah, we're gonna take everything apart and start cleaning it. So this right here, the center caps, we're gonna take them off. Try to take the rust off. If the rust comes off, we're gonna keep it like that. But if it doesn't come off, we're gonna paint it. I'm thinking about gold or black. I'm not sure yet. But that's what we got going on here, guys. This bike came with a lot of extras, and we're gonna be hooking it up. Take everything apart. But those are the parts that we're gonna be painting. The center caps of those. Those are what we're gonna be doing. So let's get it, guys. Stay tuned, stay tuned. We're gonna be taking everything apart and we're gonna be saving this baby right here. This baby was left outside in the rain. It looked like it was garage kept for a few, but I'm guessing the last owner that had it probably kept it outside and just, you know, got rusted and stuff like that. But we're gonna take care of it, man, because right now it's in good hands. It's in very good hands. Okay, so I have taken off all the center caps and see if we could take all the rust off. We gotta see. All right, maybe we could save them, maybe not. If we can't save them, we definitely gonna paint them. All right, guys, so I have cleaned them off, but I'm gonna paint them. Cause I don't know, I don't want it to look all crazy. You know, cause you see how it looks. You know, so we're just gonna paint them. You know, make them a little bit more presentable. This is the only one the only really nice one that came out, but you see all of them, how they all look. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna paint them. Give them a nice color. Cool, guys. So look, we got it all painted using tropical glitz. Got it all painted. Wait a little bit more and doing one more teeny weeny little layer on it. All right, we're gonna check it out how it is later, sand it, and then we're gonna clear coat it, protect the paint. All right, what's up, guys? So we got this up on the mechanic stand. Like I said, man, this beauty right here came with a lot of accessories. Came with the steering wheel. It came with a bumper. It came with some dope ass you know, pegs. It came in with a continental kit to hold the tire. Tires right there. The tire also has the knockoff. What else? It came in with some twisted pedals. I'm gonna take this fork off and put in another fork on, a twisted fork. maybe add some mirrors, and I'm gonna be selling it, you know. But we're gonna restore this baby, bring it back to life. All right, cool. So we have this little right bike on the stand. Alright guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? So we got this bike taken apart. You can see all the parts on the floor. We're gonna be cleaning everything one by one. Everything's gonna get cleaned, cause I like when I restore bikes, man, I like to take everything apart. Everything, like to take apart and clean everything. Try to take all the rust off. As you can see, the fenders on the parts rusted. I'm gonna try to take all those out. We got the bumper, we got the handlebars, we got the spare wheel, we got the front wheel, we got the knockoffs right here. So yeah, we're gonna be cleaning everything up and putting it back together. All right. So the way I clean rust off, guys, is I'm gonna be using steel wool and water and a brush. That's what I use to clean the rust off. Also the chain guard, you can see how it's rusted. I'm gonna get that cleaned up too. Okay, as you can see right here we have the front fender. You see the rust of it, very rusty. Gonna get that cleaned up as well. Let's get it. Alright, what's up guys? So we got all this parts right here cleaned up. All I'm missing is the wheels, the seat, sissy bar, and the frame. So let's get that all cleaned up before we can put it back together. And also, instead of putting that fork back on, we're gonna getting that fork that's right there. That one, the twisted one, when we put it on this baby right here. So stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Y'all can see how rusty it is. See that? You see that? We're gonna take all that away. So right now I pretty much got everything cleaned up. Pretty much everything's cleaned up. Now what we're gonna do is flip it backwards to get the under part as well. Like I said, man, every time I'm restoring a lowrider bike, I like to get everything. Detail is everything to me. I gotta get everything. We gotta get everything, guys. Everything we gotta get. As I can see the rims on this one's right here. It's pretty bad. We get those cleaned up. Alright, what's up guys? So I got everything set up. Everything's on the table, organized. Okay. Got the frame all cleaned up as well. Rims, tires, fenders. Fenders. We got the seat ready. We have the 60 bar ready. Alright, and we got the fork all nice and cleaned up. Alright, so let's put everything back together, guys. All right. So the first piece we have put in is the crank and the sprocket. Okay. So we got in. When we put it on the front, the forks next. So we got the front fork on. As I can see, we got it on. Now we're gonna be installing the back fender and the back wheel. Right after I got the fenders on, okay, I'm gonna add in the brace, which is this right here. Gonna add this on, and also the back one's on too. Alright guys, stay tuned, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got the wheel on. So we had to put the continental kit before we put on the wheel. As you can see how it goes. This will have to go through here. See that hook right there? So you have to put it on before. You have to take off the brace for the fenders. You would have to take this one off for it could come down and slide down here. As you can see how it goes connected into the fender. You know, this is the first time I ever had this kind of continental kit, but we got it on, you know, as y'all can see. So it will have to go through the fender, and this one will go sliding down with the hooks. And as you can see, that's how this is installed. It's pretty cool. I like it. I like the idea. So I just installed the front wheel. As I can see, what you guys think, man. Hold on, let me go a little back real quick. See how it's looking? See how it's looking? Next thing is the the bumper. We're gonna be installing the bumper on the front. See how it's gonna look. Alright guys, so I ran into a problem where, you see this right here? So I'm trying to this connects here, but this will overlap onto here, and this might break with the pressure of getting this tight. So to avoid that, it might break, it might not, but I'd rather avoid it. And when I when I put it tight, it will tighten, you know, flat and not like curved or in an angle due to this part right here. You know, so what I'm gonna do is shorten the chain. It's because the chain was very loose. It was very loose. You know, like you could like play with it and like it will come out. You know, so right now I'm gonna shorten this, cut out a link. There's one link, it should be good enough, you know, to make this not connect to this. You know, so that's where I'm at, guys. So we're gonna be cutting one link to trying to get this right. So the next thing is gonna be the steering wheel and the gooseneck. All right, guys. So we have a little problem here. Not too big, you know, so it's small. So as you can see, how many room is there right now? You know, I know it's not tightened yet, but I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna show you when it's tightened. All right, hold up. As you guys can see, you see it's getting tight, but you see how crazy loose this is still. All right, so what we got here, what we need here, we need attachments. All right, this will go in here and very nicely and tightly. All right, guys, so what you guys think? What do you guys think? I'm going in the front of it. So what I might do, the handle, I don't know, the handlebars side is cool, but I don't know, man. This style of handlebars, for me personally, I don't really like. Other people may like it, but I don't. I'd rather have something like this. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you right now real quick. Hold up. Oh, man. A little tight in here. What you guys think? All right, so the caps, I got caps, and I put it gold. Gold caps. As I can see, I got them in gold. Well, I painted them in gold. All right, so what I might do, the handlebars, I might put it in gold. The handlebars might be gold. We'll see. All right, guys. So I have taken off the sissy bar and the handlebars because I didn't really like the handlebars how they looked. So we're gonna be putting in a gold sissy bar and then a gold handlebars. All right, guys. That's what we're gonna be doing right now. All right, guys. So I have taken off the sissy bar and the handlebars because I didn't really like the handlebars how they looked. So we're gonna be putting in a gold sissy bar and then a gold handlebars. All right, guys. That's what we're gonna be doing right now. All right, guys. What's up? What you guys think? This is the final product. Well, I still gotta put in some hand grips, but that's all. Probably some black hand grips, but this is the final product, guys. What you think? I think it looks nice, man. Just like how I imagined it to be. You know, very beautiful. But I just want to say I appreciate y'all guys for everything. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. Thank you for tuning in. You know, and restoring this beautiful lowrider bike. It looks nice from right here, man. Damn, sexy. Look at that. But I appreciate you guys for the love. You know, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. You know, stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for more videos, man. So, like I said, man, this bike has been restored, brought back to life. Looking beautiful, looking beautiful. I ain't gonna lie, it looks very, very, very beautiful. You know, I think I did my thing on this. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for the love. Appreciate y'all. And God bless, man. Have a good day. Stay safe. Like I always say, keep building, keep riding, keep living, guys. God bless.